Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, my sister is going to be doing my nails during this quarantine, and we'll show you what we use and how we did it. So right here, she's showing you guys everything that we used, and these are my nails, and these are the items of the things that we use for this this little project that we did. So this is the dipping gel that the kit came that I bought, that I purchased, the kit Kiss kit. So that's the thing to hold it. We're just pouring it right there, and you guys can see the name. And that's the powder. That's this right here is the liquid activator, the liquid gel. And that's, you know, the white coat thing to help the nails stay on my stick on my hands. And right here, she's just going ahead and cleaning my nails, and, like, you know, to get ready to prepare so she could slay these nails, honey. My sister is a jack of all trades. And right here, as you guys can see, she's just going ahead to what's she doing? She's cleaning, she's kind of like pushing back my cuticles or whatever it is, so like when she put the nails, you know, so it could look neater and much cleaner. She's the professional, not I, so I'm just going based off what she's doing and following her directions. And then right here, she's just going ahead, you know, the usual, and just following my nails, every finger, you know, like people do at the shop. So she went ahead and did the same thing to the other hand as well. And then she's going back over that with some what was it, nail polish remover or acetone or whatever it was, just to make sure that nail is clean. And then she's gonna go ahead and move on. Now as you can see, she's just trying the nail over my fingertips, so she can make sure that she finds the right one that fits my fingertip, and then, you know, to make sure she has everyone that she will be needing to use. And now, after she figures out what nail fits what hand, she's just going to go ahead and put the glue on, and then go ahead and put all the nails on. And then after she does that, she goes ahead and just cut it to the length that I want it. I didn't want it long, so that's fine. She's going to cut it to the length and the desired shape that I like. So she's still doing her thing here. Go ahead, girl. Shape, shape, shape. Shape these nails. So now I think this was after she was done shaping my nails. She went ahead again and just filed them to the shape that I wanted. I didn't really quite want it the square shape. I wanted it kind of like a coffin shape, kind of. So she tried her best to make it to that coffin shape. Gel that she used, and then when she put that over it, I dipped my fingers into the powder. So it's like a dip powder, you dip your nails in it. So I dipped my nail into that powder, and I did that for every single one of my fingers, the nails, to get the acrylic on there, or the gel, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, dip it. That's the way that the one that I bought, that's how it works. You have to dip your nails into the powder. So if you want a more thick consistency, the thicker you want it, you just put more of that gel on your nails, and then you go ahead and dip your nails back into the powder, and that's how you get the thick consistency. So depending on how thick you want it to be. So here we go right there. I'm just showing you guys my nails after, you know, we got it to the desired thickness that we wanted it to be, and I'm just showing you my nails right there. And that's cute. She's doing a great job. I think at this point she was tired of me, but she's doing a great job. And then as she's done, she just you know how in the nail salon they go over it with that little clear base, so that's what she's doing right now. And then moving on, she's gonna go ahead again and file it one more time with all my nails one more time, to make sure that her the shapes is fine and to how I want it, and that it's good. You know, my sister's a perfectionist. Yeah, my sister's a perfectionist, so she wanted to make sure everything was right. Like I told y'all, she's the jack of all trades. She does hair, she does makeup, and now she about to add them nails to her resume. And then moving on, you know, now she's really up there, really a boss. She has a little machine thing that they have at the nail salon. So over here, she's just filing and buffing, or whatever they call that thing, to make it like, make sure that the nail is smooth, you know, and no problem. So we're just gonna let her do her thing on each nail. She was still tired of me and was ready to be done, but we pushed through. All right, so once we're done with that, look how nice, you guys see how nice the nails look? My nails are so nice. Once again, she's gonna go back in with that nail polish remover or whatever it is. I think it was nail polish remover, not acetone if I'm not mistaken. She's just gonna go ahead and clean the nail. It could have been acetone. She's just gonna go in, clean my nails one more time. And then she went ahead, we didn't have the gel machine, so this is just regular. So she just went ahead and painted my nails with this color, this little lavender color nail polish that we had at home, that she went ahead and painted my nails. And I really like the color, so she did a good job. And these nails actually last me for a while too, so which was good. But then outside, I think outside opened up a couple weeks after, so I was able to get my nails done after that. So she was happy that she had to do my nails again. All right, and now that she's done, here's the final look on how my nails turned out. They turned out really well, but she wanted me to tell you guys and let you guys know that she does not do nails. So please do not ask her when can you do your nails, because she is not going to add that to her resume. Although she does know how to do them, she will not be adding that to her resume. But you can hit her up for your makeup and your hair. That's Hairnista on Instagram. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can know next time I post some more videos. See you guys later.